Something you may be wondering is, should I even consider divorce now, or should I wait till the kids are a bit older? This is tough, and this is only something that you can decide for yourself. Only you know what is best for your family and what is best for you. When I was considering divorce, my boys were ages 2, 4, 6, and 8. And this was the most difficult decision that I've ever had to make. It was agonizing. I think it was agonizing because of the love that I had for my boys. I believed in family. I believed in getting married once and forever. I believed that there was tough times in any relationship, that marriage wasn't easy. You had to work through the bad times, and then there was supposed to be lots of good times, and that was all just part of it. I had a group of friends. Nobody was divorced. It wasn't something that I ever thought that I'd have to consider, and it was certainly something that I never thought that I'd have to go through. It was by far the most difficult transition of my life. So I wanted to share with you some of the things that I considered back then and some of the things that I thought about. I really took time to consider, is the relationship between myself and their dad something that I wanted them to emulate, something that I wanted them to think was a good relationship? Was I willing to sacrifice to fake it, to pretend like our marriage was great for them? And these are all things that I was willing to do. These weren't just things I thought about. I was thinking that they were the right thing to do. So I was considering get a divorce or not get a divorce, and either way was okay. I thought, what could I do to improve my relationship with their dad? What do I need to do? And I did a whole bunch of things. How long should I try to improve the relationship before then I would consider divorce? I wondered, are my needs being met? Are my children's needs being met in this relationship? And when I thought about my needs, I felt guilty. And I thought, why am I so selfish? Why am I more important than our family sticking together? And this was very difficult and hard to grapple with and figure out. How could I even consider doing this to my boys? How could I take their little awesome life and turn it upside down? What was wrong with me? What was wrong with me? I thought all the time about, if I get a divorce, how is this going to affect my children? Are they ever going to believe in marriage? Are they ever going to believe in true love and happily ever after? Are they going to be able to go through difficult times and still want to stay married? Or are they going to take my example from their point of view and just think divorce is okay? I didn't want that for them. How can I show them that sometimes relationships don't work out, but new relationships are formed and they can work out just fine? How can I let them know that our family's still a family? Mom loves them, dad loves them, we'll always love them. And we have a new family relationship, which is great. How can I show them that we make difficult choices in life for the right reasons, out of love, and that's okay? I don't know whether divorce is right for you or not, but I do know that I can help you to think through a few things, open up some new perspectives, shed some new light in your life, and open you up to some new possibilities. I hope to inspire you. You are worthy. You are loved. If you're interested in connecting with me, great. If you think this video would benefit someone that you know, please share. I look forward to chatting with you, and I look forward to talking with you again. Cheers to you first.